Are you stuck on a loading failed screen? Stop wasting time searching for outdated fixes. Here is the definitive July 2026 update on how to clear Hulu error code 83 in 3 simple steps. Error 83 is a device compatibility handshake failure. With the July 2026 security protocols, Hulu is now stricter than ever about verifying your software and security standards. Step 1. The power cycle. Turn off your device and unplug it from the wall for at least 60 seconds. This is crucial to clear the system memory. Don't forget your network. Unplug your modem and router too. This refreshes your IP assignment and clears any DNS bottlenecks, preventing verification. Step 2. Software verification. July 2026 updates have increased security. Versions older than 90 days are now automatically blocked. Check your app store now. Check your speeds. You need a sustained 16 megabits per second for the high bitrate 4K content. Hulu now prioritizes for the best stability. Step 3. Cache management. On Android or Fire TV devices, go to Settings, then Applications, and find Hulu. This is where most persistent session errors live. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. You will need to log back in, but this forces a fresh, secure handshake with Hulu servers. To recap, power cycle your equipment, verify your software is current, and ensure a clean internet connection. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more expert tech tutorials.